Welcome to this tutorial on how to download Zoom for iPad and iPhone. We will use Zoom for many of our online learning programs. This video is a step-by-step explanation of how to download the app to your iPad or iPhone. So, what is Zoom? Zoom is an app used for audio or video meetings online. You can use it to share your screen with others in your meeting. You can choose to turn on your camera so that others can see you. The app is free to download. Let's look at how to download on iPad. First, tap the icon to open the App Store. Then, tap in the search bar at the top of the screen. Type ZOOM and then tap Search. Look for the app called Zoom Cloud Meetings. Tap Get or the cloud icon to download the app. When the app is finished downloading, tap Open. That's all. You now have Zoom on your iPad. The process to download on iPhone is very similar. Tap the icon to open the App Store. Tap Search in the lower right corner of the screen, and then tap the search bar. Type ZOOM and then tap Search. Look for the app called Zoom Cloud Meetings. Tap Get or the cloud icon to download the app. When the app is finished downloading, tap Open. And that's it. You now have Zoom on your iPhone. Let's take a look at how to join a Zoom meeting from either your iPad or your iPhone. The process is the same. Open the app and then tap on Join a Meeting. Your teacher or friend will give you a meeting ID number. Type that number into the meeting ID bar. If you would like to turn off your video so others can't see you, tap the slider at the bottom of the screen for Turn Off My Video. Then tap Join. Your teacher or friend will also give you a meeting password. Type the password for the meeting and then tap Continue. If your teacher or friend hasn't started the meeting yet, you will see this screen that says the meeting has not started yet. Just wait for your teacher or friend to start the meeting. When the meeting starts, the display on the screen will change. You will get a pop-up that asks you to permit access to use the microphone. Tap OK. When it gives you the option, select Call using Internet Audio to use the microphone in your iPad or iPhone. And that's all. Enjoy your meeting. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download Zoom to an iPad or iPhone. If you have a different device, please check out the other videos in this series to find out how to download Zoom to those devices as well.